Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. So tonight, I tried out the spicy Louisiana chicken breader, and it's a wet batter, and then you dip it in a dry batter. And so I'm going to try it out with you guys. So let me say my grace because I need to. Okay, so you guys, yesterday was my birthday, and you hear how crispy it is? It's really good, really crunchy, which I like. It's a little bit of salt, so you don't want to add anything, no salt to it, but it's really good. And this is just some fish sauce with you can buy it where it's like already mixed as a dipping sauce. And I added some chilies to it, some Thai chilies, and some pickled ginger. It's really good. But it's really good. I basically have been celebrating my birthday all week, and I hung out with some friends and just went to visit them and had a really good time. If y'all are wondering, I turned 35, so it's a big number. I don't know how to feel about it. I feel good. I feel young. But there are a few things that I do want to accomplish that I really have kind of put out there in the next at least 2 to 3 years. So I'm trying to finish my degree, and I think I'm going to work on a family as far as like kids and things like that. And I'm also working on my health. So I hope that this year, year of 35, really, I think it's really gonna bring like some big changes, but in a good way. This chicken is so crunchy. I love crunchy chicken. I hate when it's soft and the skin is soft and then you don't want to eat it. But it's really good. And the fish sauce, it's like sweet, it's savory, it's fishy. It's really good. So you guys, I'm going to show you how crispy this chicken is, and I'll let you hear it. Do you hear how crispy that is? That is really crispy. Because even when you go out to a restaurant, the chicken is rarely that crispy. That's why I have me a little cloth right here, because I had a feeling that I would spill something. And you guys, I also have a cucumber, and this is just the small cucumbers, like the mini ones. Some people call them the pickling ones, but they are really crunchy and it's so good. It's really good. And I wanted to really get a piece of that ginger because you know it's so good. Well, guys, I'm gonna finish this while it's still hot. But until next time, I will see you later. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.